Alright, y'all. I just got these atomic fizz things. Weird things. I opened one. I thought I should get my reaction or whatever. I don't think they're sour. It's supposed to be, but. It's fizzing. Whoa. Whoa. These are good. That was like, whoa. It's not sour, it's just like, it fizzes. It was like a volcano went off in my mouth or something. That was good. Now, go watch the video of me rating the different flavors. There are different flavors in it. So, bye-bye. Go watch that video of me rating the flavors.